All right, so maybe this just might be the kind of content I need to post on this channel here. So today's video, basically this is the RGM-79Q, which is known as the GM Quel, if I pronounce this correctly. And this is one of the GM units made right coming to the end of the Gundam 0083 series, okay? And if you ever was thinking of buying this action figure and you were curious to know if this little vehicle thing comes with it, this transportation vehicle thing comes with it, yes, it does come with it. Now this is a pretty neat figure, and if you are into RGM figures or model kits, then this is definitely the way to go, one of the figures to purchase. And if you do have plans to purchase this figure, I would suggest buying it as soon as possible, because it seems like Robot Spirits prices are going up very high the longer they stay on these shelves. All right, so removing this plastic cover here, aside the box itself, this is the figure here, and this is not really a review, but just to give you a idea of what the figure comes with. Now, these boosters or thrusters, I gotta say, are quite big for a RGM. And this is supposed to be from the Titans, if I'm correct. Again, right after the Gundam 0083 or 0083 series here, okay? And this is supposed to be like one of the most upgraded RGM units out there in the colors, the Titan colors here. It's a pretty nice figure. Love the solid feel to it, right? Again, this transportation vehicle here, I'm not sure what you call it, but a second. All right, so this is it here. The wheels don't move, all right? So if you were hoping the wheels would move, they don't. It's just like a solid plastic piece there, okay? So I guess you can just use it to have fun or what, or imaginary play to it, right? This is the shield, and you can see the Titans are there, and of course the hand carry arm thing, adding part, whatever you want to call it. These are the different hands you got here. I love how they have the beam effect. It's not that single plain beam effect. Looks quite powerful, right? The beam saber, you only get one. This is the rifle. This is supposed to be like an upgraded rifle compared to the other usual compared to the usual RGM rifles, okay? So this video is going to be longer than 3 minutes, I guess, so it won't be a short. So it's pretty neat. It's a single color, no added colors to it, except for that little green part there. But supposedly it should be a rather high-powered beam rifle, I guess. And beam saber, you get 2 head antennas, and the Quel just uses only 1, all right? And you have this thing here that you can basically add all the additional hands to it, in case you decide to throw away the tray or the box itself, all right? And I mean, honestly, as a Robot Spirits action figure, I wouldn't call myself a collector, but someone who's bought plenty of Robot Spirit action figures, I would always say keep the boxes, because maybe in the long run, you might decide to sell it, and having the box would definitely retain the value. I've sold some Robot Spirits before and gotten some good money back in return for it. So if you do collect Robot Spirits and you do plan to sell some in the future, I would recommend keeping the boxes, the trays, everything that it comes with, just for the sake of retaining its value and get back some of the money. Some of these figures, I remember this figure here before was under $50, and now eBay has them for like $80 and up. So if you want to buy one of these again, I would recommend buying them as soon as possible, because the prices are going to get pretty high in the future. Anyways, if you want to see more content like this here, let me know in the comment section, and like and sub.